Let's solve this integral problem step by step. We need to find f of x given that the integral of x plus 3 divided by quantity x plus 2 squared equals f of x minus 1 over x plus 2 plus c. Let's solve this using substitution. First, let u equal x plus 2, then du equals dx. When we make the substitution, x becomes u minus 2, so x plus 3 becomes u plus 1. Our integral becomes the integral of u plus 1 divided by u squared du. We can split this into two simpler integrals, the integral of 1 over u du plus the integral of 1 over u squared du. The first integral gives us natural log of absolute value of u. The second integral gives us negative 1 over u. Combining these terms and adding our constant of integration, we get natural log of absolute value of u minus 1 over u plus c. Now, let's substitute back u equals x plus 2. This gives us natural log of absolute value of x plus 2 minus 1 over x plus 2 plus c. Comparing this with our original equation, we can see that f of x must equal natural log of absolute value of x plus 2. Therefore, f of x equals natural log of absolute value of x plus 2. Let's box our answer. To verify this is correct, we could take the derivative of our answer and add 1 over x plus 2 to confirm we get back our original integrand. This completes our solution.